Sloan and I are going to show you some really neat collaboration features that Google Docs offers. So I created a Google Doc. It's going to be on a weather project that her and I are going to work on together. And as you can see, I've added some things and I even have some spelling mistakes. So the first thing I want to do is to share the document with her. So I'm going to go up to my top right hand screen, click share. I'm going to enter her email address. And I definitely want her to edit this document because I want us to work on it together. So I'm going to send her the invitation. It's telling me that I've shared it with one person, and now I have to wait for her to access it. Once she has, you'll see her logo will pop up, and I know that she's on the document. And there she is. So we're actually together. We're on separate devices, but we're going to collaborate on the same document.
As you can see, I just highlighted something from my computer in this document, so stand by a window, and I'm adding a comment.
So as she adds a comment, it's going to highlight that portion, and then I can find her comment. If I were somewhere else in the document and I went up to that area, that comment pertains to it. So I'm not sure that this is the best way to do it. I agree. What are your ideas?
And then I can actually go in and backspace it, and it shows on her screen that I have deleted it.
And I think that's great. If I want to be able to communicate with Sloan and it's not something specific about an area of the document, I can go up here where it says show chat. I can click chat and I can say, hey, I think that we should go buy poster board for this project. And I can send it to her and we can kind of have a side conversation while we're on the actual document. And I can see that she's responding to my question. So this is a great way to collaborate. It's a feature that your students might enjoy, either collaborating in classroom on separate devices, or if you have assignments outside of class and you want students to be able to work together.
Another great feature within Google Docs is the opening the comments thread. If you click on the word comments next to share, you can go ahead and open the thread so you can see who posted what comments, how they were resolved, and how they were responded to. And you can also reopen them if you're not sure that it's something that is actually complete. Okay, and one last really neat feature is the ability to check the revision history. So if you want to see what your colleagues have done while you're working on the same document, you can go to File, See Revision History, and then it shows you a menu and color coding who typed what, so you can see how they have updated it or what they got rid of and what they've added. And you can also click Show More Detailed Revisions, and it breaks it down even further.
This is a great feature if you are allowing students to collaborate together on a document. You can see what each individual child has done on the project, and it also helps to monitor as part of your classroom management while letting students work in small groups.